To answer your email, what I would do to add the Screencastify to your announcements is use our free resource called Microsoft Stream. And it's really easy to use. I'm currently uploading your introduction video now to show you. So you just go to create here and you upload video. So once you select the video you want to upload, this screen appears. Now what's really great about Microsoft Stream is that it generates captions and transcripts. So students can go and look at those things, and then it fits all accessibility issues. So in order to share it and create it in your announcements, you just hit share, and then you would go to embed. Now you're going to copy this code. This is called an embed code, and it works with the HTML editor in your announcement. So you copy it, and then you create an announcement. So from the create an announcement page, you have an HTML box. Okay, so this just shows you the code of everything you work on. So what we just copied, the embed code, we click on it and we paste it in. After that, you hit the update, and now you can just type in what you would put for your normal announcement. This is it. And you can let students know. So that is the process that I would go through to upload it, and then it would be embedded. Hope that helps.